Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, I'm excited. I'm excited. We have just 2 days to go. We have just 2 days to go. 2 days to 1st of July, the beginning of Christmas in July. Guys, don't relent. I want you to go and get set. Prepare to pay your program fee anytime from 1st of July so that you can receive the billionaire program fee gift. For anyone that pays the billionaire program fee, you will be given a gift 1,000 TBC from the army. Everyone that pays the billionaire program fee in K-Love during the month of July 2022 will get 1,000 TBC as a gift from the army. Guys, this is a gift. You don't have to do anything to receive. Just what? Fulfill your tax. What is that tax? Payment of your billionaire program fee in K-Law. Guys, this is wonderful. So don't relent in your efforts to get your money set, to get your BNB set, to get your K-Law set for onward payments in the month of July. Just 2 days to go. So guys, do all within your best and be part of this promo. It's a wonderful promo. And don't forget that the number of TBC you have, you are going to get an equal match of it in K-Love come January 12, 2023. So guys, it is a sacrifice that worth paying for. Do all within your best. And don't forget, because of the filling up of the core team now, to all core team members, backup team members, don't wait until the expiration of your program fee before you pay another. Payment in advance is better, is the best. So guys, do all within your best to be part of this wonderful and a great history again in TBC. 1,000 TBC is not a joke. So guys, looking forward to July 1st when our payment begins to roll in for as many who are yet to make either uh, advance payments or whatsoever. So guys, go within your best. Looking forward to that. And don't forget, this evening by 4 p.m. West African time, we'll be having our mass adoption trip again with the admin. This is a time that we meet with the admin of TBC to discuss, to share, and what? To learn. So guys, come on board. West African time, 4 p.m. If you want the link, you can go into your KingGuard back office, click on meetings. You will see the link there. Thank you all. God bless you. And don't forget, like this broadcast at the same time, subscribe to it for first and notification. Thank you. Bye for now.